Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the laptop has power and is not in a sleep loop. Make sure battery is above 10% or plugged in. Next, open the Action Center with Win Plus or click the notification icon on the taskbar to access quick settings. Once done, look for the airplane mode tile. If it's missing, click Network or Wireless icon to reveal the setting. You're now ready to change the state and restore radios. You'll now turn radios back on using either the Action Center or Settings. Open Settings right arrow Network and Internet right arrow Airplane mode and toggle it off so Wi-Fi and Bluetooth can resume. This re-enables adapters and DHCP. If the tile didn't work, press the laptop's hardware key combination, usually FN plus an airplane icon key, because some models use a physical radio switch. Once done, confirm Wi-Fi shows available networks, and that Bluetooth appears in devices. You finish by reconnecting to your preferred Wi-Fi network and verifying internet access. Make sure you enter the correct password if prompted. If wireless still appears disabled, open Device Manager, expand Network Adapters, and right-click to enable the wireless device. A driver reinstall can help. As a quick troubleshooting tip, toggle airplane mode off and on once more, then restart the laptop. This often resets the radio.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.